We all come across various air conditioning equipment daily, which is essential for human comfort. Heating is most widely used in cold regions to maintain the room temperature at a controlled level. Ventilation is necessary to provide fresh air for respiration and to exhaust fumes and gases. In case of fire, the mechanical ventilation systems play a vital role in smoke extraction. Did you know the HVAC systems used in hospitals and labs are entirely different from other applications? Are you keen to know the fundamentals of HVAC system design? This course on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, curated by the L&T stalwarts, is the best way to learn and understand the engineering of HVAC systems.